Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add gift cards on your Amazon account. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your preferred web browser. Now, head to Amazon's website. Once you're in the website, make sure you're signed into your account. And now, to add gift cards, simply click on your profile at the top right corner. Now, scroll a bit and you can see All Accounts option. Simply tap on it. Here, scroll a bit down and you can see Payment section. Here, under Payment section, click on Manage Gift Card Balance. Now, to add gift card, simply click on Reload Balance. Now, choose the amount you want to add to your gift card and simply click on Buy Now option. Now you'll have to choose your payment method and click on Continue. And just like that, you'll be able to buy gift cards on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.